In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save TradingView chart layouts. If you've ever customized a chart with indicators, drawings, timeframes, or a particular color theme, saving your layout ensures all of that work is preserved exactly the way you like it the next time you open TradingView. Here's what to look for. At the top right of your TradingView window, you'll see the current name of your layout. If you've never saved anything before, this area will simply say Unnamed. That label is your quick indicator of whether your setup has been saved or not. It's always in the same spot, so once you know where to glance, you can confirm your layout status in a second. To save, click that layout name at the top right. As soon as you click it, a drop-down will expand. This menu is where TradingView manages your layout actions. Now, simply click the Save option in that drop-down to lock in your current setup. If you prefer using shortcuts, you can press Ctrl and S on your keyboard to save right away. Either way, TradingView captures your current chart exactly as it appears on your screen. That's all there is to it. After saving, your layout is stored to your account, so you can close the tab or switch devices and come back to find everything just as you left it. If you're experimenting with indicators or drawing tools, get into the habit of tapping Ctrl+S from time to time. It's a quick way to protect your progress as you fine-tune the look and feel of your charts. A couple of quick reminders to keep things smooth. If the top right area still says Unnamed, it just means you haven't saved this setup yet. Follow the same click and save process to secure it. When you save, TradingView keeps your chart symbols, timeframes, indicators, overlays, drawings, and layout arrangement intact, so your workflow remains consistent. And because the save happens within TradingView, you don't need to download anything. Your layout lives in the cloud with your account. To recap, look to the top right for the layout name, click it to open the drop-down, and then click to save or press Ctrl and S to do it instantly from your keyboard. And there you go. With just that small habit, your TradingView charts stay reliable, organized, and ready whenever you are. Thanks for watching, and enjoy a more seamless charting experience.